Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Secret Point. My name is Milan and in this video session we are going to see how to write any content to a file. Okay, so whatever may be the content you want to write to a file means that through the Java programming language how you can do that I am going to explain in this video session. Okay, so based on this concept I have already written one program. In the screen you can see that first statement what I was written is I am importing one class, that is file output stream. This is the class which we are going to use whenever we are going to write any content to a file. Okay, so whenever you are reading any content we are using file input stream, we are accepting, so we are using file input stream or file reader class. You can use file reader also to read the content of a file, but here we are going to write, so we have to use the file output stream. Okay, we are going to provide some output to a file, so we are going to use file output stream class here. Okay, so here my class name is file writing, and inside that class I am taken the main method, and within that main method what I was doing is I am simply creating one object of file output stream which is accepting one file name as parameter. Okay, this is my file name. Directly I was given file name as parameter over here, but it is not generally recommended. It is recommended to take the file class object, and you need to pass that file class object to this as parameter to this file output class, file output stream class. Okay, so this is the string which I need to write to a file with the name milon.doc. Okay, let's check whether any file is exist in the current working directory or not. As you know that I am not mentioning any of the directory location here, so it is going to create the file in the current working directory. So this is our class which I am going to explain, which I am explaining now, and here none of the file is present with the name Milon, which is of document type. Okay, Milon text file is present but not document file is present here, you can see. So now by the execution of this program it is going to create 1 million document file. Okay, so this is the string which I am going to write inside that file. It is of string type, and through this reference variable string or string variable s I am calling the getByte method. Okay, by calling this method it will give byte array. Okay, so it will simply convert this string into a byte array format, and it is going to be stored inside this variable b. B is of byte array type. And finally I am calling the write method of this file output stream class, which is accepting byte array argument. Okay, so as you can see here that I am passing byte array variable b as parameter to this write method. Okay, so this write method I am calling here by the reference variable of file output stream class, that is fout. Fout is the reference variable of file output stream class. And finally whenever this writing process is over I am simply printing one message on the console, that is success, or else file written successfully. Okay, I am printing this message, file written successfully. Okay, now you have to close the resources, whatever the resources you are opening that must you have to close, because if you will not close means unnecessary it will occupy memory and it will slow down your application performance or something like that. Okay, in order to good performance you have to close the resources, whatever the object you are creating you need to mention as null in the end of your application, in the end of your programming. Okay, likewise you have to, whatever the resource you are opening you just need to close that one. That's a separate concept we will discuss later. So now let's compile this program and check what output we are getting. So open your command prompt, switch to the location where you are keeping your Java programs. So I am keeping our in this location, so I am switching to that location. Okay, now let's compile this program. Javac file writing dot java. Okay, now you can see that our program got compiled and it is ready for execution. Okay, now Java file writing. Now you can see that file written successfully, the message what we have written in the program that is printed over here. Now let's check our current working directory whether we got any file with this name or not. See, one file got created. Previously one text file is created there with the name Milan, but now one document file also created. And check the time also, 15th July, sorry, 15th October 12:26 am. This is the time of my system also. Here you can check. Okay, so now only this file got created, and let's open this file and check what content it is having. See what program, in the program what content I was written, what string I was written, that is I loves programming. That string got printed in this file, or written to this file. Okay, so now let's do some modification in the program and check what output we are getting. Now here what I am doing is I am simply passing the file name, whatever the file name I want to give, that I am passing over here as hard coded, so it is generally not recommended. Here you need to pass the file class object, file equal to new file. Here I am pointing to this file class object, to this Milan Kumar dot txt I am giving. Okay, this time I am going to create one text file with this name, and I am going to pass this file class object as parameter to this file output stream class. Okay, now as we are going to use this file class in our program, so we have to import that class. Import java.io.file. This file is located under IO package, so we need to import java.io.file. Now let's compile this program. So before compilation I am going to show you, check the current working directory, any file is present with this milankumar.txt or not. See, none of the file is present with this name. Okay, so by the execution of the program itself, it is going to generate one file with the name milankumar.txt. Now let's compile our program. Okay, now I forgot to put the semicolon in the end of the statement. Okay, now put a semicolon, save it and compile once again. Now our program got compiled and executed also successfully. That file written successfully. This message is indicating that our file is created now. Now let's check the current working directory, whether we generally means successfully created a file with this milankumar.txt or not. See, one file got created over here, that is Milan Kumar. At what time? At 12:29 am on 15th October. Okay, so let's open this file and check the content. Yes, we got the content right. So this is what the intent of this program. Hope you liked this video. If you do like, then please do subscribe to my channel and keep sharing with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care.